Small beveled straight edge sealing machine assembly. Upon receipt, please count the accessories. First install the widening bracket, locate the bracket and corresponding screws. Insertion of fluids holder. Installation of the height adjustment screws for the runners. Connecting the fluids to the glazing bar bracket. Locate the plumber screws. Locking screws. To install the edging strip heating gun, locate the two corresponding brackets. Begin assembling edge banding trays. Locate the 3 balls and install them in the appropriate positions. Snap the cover onto the end of the bracket. Find the appropriate accessories and follow the video to install them. Tray and bracket assembly as per video. Locate the appropriate screws. Attach the tray to the box as shown in the video. Installing the control panel.